Hi, this is Sam. I'm here to tell you that COVID is real. COVID vaccine saves life and everyone should get one. Up to date, 470 million cases are reported worldwide according to World Health Organization. Pause a minute and think about that. Do you know the population of US? The total population of US, according to census completed 2020, is 330,000. That is 140 million less than the total population of people who are already infected with COVID vaccine. If all those people were to die, the total population of US will be wiped out. So the total number of people who died of COVID-19 up to date is 6,700,000 people according to World Health Organization 2022. Closer home, the cases reported in United States alone is 80 million. To be exact, 79 million and 600,000 cases in US alone. The number of people who died is 970,000 people died out in because of COVID-19. So I am here to tell you that COVID-19 vaccine is effective in reducing the chances of developing serious complications from COVID-19. It reduces the chances of hospitalization by a big number. According to CDC, COVID-19 vaccines are highly effective against severe COVID-19 associated outcomes, including those caused by Delta variants. It also protects immunocompromised from the complications. Consider your grandma, consider your grandpa, consider anyone in your family who is dealing with some sort of health issue. Heart problem, diabetes, any sort of health issue. Chemotherapy. If you get a COVID vaccine shot today, you are saving any member of your family or even you, because there is people who had no underlying conditions and yet they died from COVID-19. COVID vaccine is scientifically proven and effective and is safe. There is so many misconception going out there. COVID-19 is not political. This is the matter of death and life. There is so many misinformation. Let me just point a few. Most people who trust networks and local televisions like CNN, MSNBC, and NPR on COVID-19 believe little or no misinformation. However, larger populations who rely on Newsmax, One American News, and Fox News hold many misconceptions according to KFF, or Kaiser Family Organization. So vaccine reduces the chances of spreading the virus to others. All currently approved vaccines are safe and effective and reduce your chances of severe illness according to CDC 2022. So finally, everyone ages 5 years and older should get a COVID-19 as soon as possible. Thank you.